Hello all, this is another assignment from Data Structure Fundamentals 1, self-assessment round 1 and assignment number 5. These are 3 questions to be answered. We will directly go to the question number 1, multidimensional arrays. Multidimensional arrays is nothing but arrays with elements as arrays. The basic one-dimensional array will have data elements and two-dimensional will have one-dimensional arrays as elements and three-dimensional two-dimensional arrays as elements. Okay, and as similar to one-dimensional array, two-dimensional arrays will be directly get called any of the data elements based on their indices, and this will be grid or tabular form, like it will be accessed through row index and column indexes. Okay, by default, how arrays pass to function. In arrays, there will be multiple. The array size might be bigger or larger, whatever the size. Uh, in arrays, the function will be passed. Arrays will be passed as a call by reference. So it will pass only starting address of the arrays, not the entire copy of the data elements. Only it will pass first element address or starting address of array. This is how arrays will be passed to the function. And whatever the manipulation we done inside the function will affect the original array in the calling code. Though we passed only starting address, it will have access to the entire data elements and we can manipulate entire data elements and it can be affect the original array as well. Here how we pass arrays to the function. What is the difference between character arrays and string? Character arrays simple array which have only characters as data element. String is a class uh, which defines objects as scheme of characters, and the strings are dynamically allocated. Strings memory allocation, dynamic allocation, and characters arrays are static allocation. They are fixed in size. They are fixed. Characters arrays are fixed in the size, and strings we are flexible during the runtime. If we remove characters, like if we can strings and expand by removing and adding data elements respectively. And length of the character array is fixed. If we declare 10 characters array, and it will remain same entire program execution. The strings length will be decrease and increase based on the data elements adding and removing. So as it is fixed size characters array, if we not use fully utilize the array size, array data elements, the memory waste will occur. In strings, the length will be shrink and expand as per the data elements. There will be no memory loss. And null terminator, we have to manually handle null terminator for character arrays. And strings, it will be handled automatically. Also, characters will offer very limited function to manipulate the data elements characters, and whereas strings will have very huge compared to characters. They will offer multiple inbuilt functions for strings to manipulate the data inside the strings. Hope I am done. That's all. Hope my all three answers are clear. Thank you, one and thank you, Pranay Anumandla.